2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, bed liner, MP3 player, power locks, electronic stability control, passenger airbag, auxiliary audio input. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.